really weird video. The sound of silver. Funny thing is, so I'm going through my coins that I have been collected over the last year. So I'm going to tumble those, and I have a little tumbler here, but this little guy is so small. You get like a little handful, but I've got access to like one that's about 3 times that size, and I'm hoping to tumble all my coins. Now, this last year, I've got those coins right there. These are all dimes, nickels, quarters, and the pennies are in here. I have also got these. This is my Manticore finds from the first. This is from my Manticore. So this is my silver and my clad, and I think that's maybe wheat pennies in there, or pennies. Separated those out, and then I still have a bag of stuff here. That's my first 6 months, and I think my second 6 months is in this bag, and I got some in the truck, and then I got a bag that's wheat pennies there. But anyways, going back to this, I'm gonna get all these tumbled. Hey, quick question for you guys: how much money do you think is in that tub right there? That one right there. The sound of so here's one of the new Washington quarters. You can listen to it. I want you to close your eyes for a second. Here, I'll do the good example. 2 dimes, right? Silver, clad. Close your eyes for a second and just listen to the clad dime. Did you hear that? Now listen to the silver dime. Big difference, right? So I got some quarters here. I got 3, I would say 3 clad and 2 silver. Now, I want you to listen to these ones here. Listen, do you hear that? Listen to them for a second. That's that one. And this one here. And listen to this other one. And then these 2 silver ones. Do you hear a difference? It's really weird, because when I was sorting through all these coins, you know, when you have coins, the funny thing is, like years ago when I was at Disneyland, the gal at the cash register, she handed me some coins, some change, and you could hear, I heard the silver quarter in my change. I knew something was off. So today, when I was doing my coins and I'm sorting them out, I noticed when I picked up a handful of coins today, this particular coin, this quarter, and this particular one with this patina on it had a different sound than a regular clad quarter. And it made me look at these guys. I haven't actually looked at them again, but it made me like, are those silver? You can definitely hear the difference in the clad coin. So in my Out of the Ashes you'll see me talk about some of the coins that I find. And some of those coins that came out of the ashes were really corroded and crusty. And some of them I couldn't even tell what they were. But I had a strong feeling that they were silver. And the coins that came out of the Ashes series, which is the first episode aired many months ago, but I re-released the edited version of it. Let's see, just last weekend. And I had a couple coins that came out. Most of those coins that come out of the fire, they look like clad, but many of them were silver. So always keep that in mind when you find your coins, that they're not always going to come out looking like this out of the ground. You know, trust me, sometimes those silver coins are going to come out looking just like a clad coin. So that's it for my little weird spiel on the sound of silver. I am going to double check these, but I just wanted you to notice that the sound of these coins versus the clad, the known, really sounds different. So whenever you have a coin and it sounds different, I mean, you got to hear it. It's just like something that you hear in your headphones when you hear tones, melody detecting. Sometimes you'll just know, especially I'd say with the E-Track. I'm going to go back to the E-Track again because the E-Track had a very distinct tone. It's just like what you hear right here. You may not hear it, but in the E-Track, you could hear the difference in the tone between these two coins. So leave a note in the comment. Like I said, there might be in this bag in clad. There's probably so $35, maybe $40 in clad in here. Then there's this big jar. There's a little bit of pennies. That jar, and this one right here. Okay, I want to know what your guess is on how much money that is. My guess is $400. What do you say? All right, that's it for this. Thanks for watching.